Alright guys, I'm finally back. I know I haven't been posting much lately. I've been sick the past week, and honestly, I think all the traveling caught up to me. I was just in Rio de Janeiro a few weeks ago, and now I'm here in Santiago, Chile. The good news is I'm feeling much better. I'm back on the grind, and I've got a new watch list for you guys for the upcoming week. Now, I need you all to run this video up. Let's get it to 100 likes, and listen, if you watch all the way through, I've got a special surprise for you somewhere in this video, so stay locked in. First stock on the watch list is ticker symbol ABP. This is a penny stock setup that's been quietly building strength, and in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before we see the next explosive leg higher. So here's the story. We had that first massive breakout run, price went vertical, volume spiked, and just like any penny stock, early profit takers rushed out, weak hands sold. That's normal in this game of trading, but instead of collapsing, ABP held its ground and has been building a tight consolidation base right around that 23 to 25 cent zone, which is bullish. Most people panic when penny stocks cool off, but this is exactly what strong setups do. They run, consolidate, and then prepare for a second wave. And that second wave is often bigger than the first. If you looked at the volume, there was a huge surge on the original breakout, then quiet on the consolidation. That's called textbook accumulation. Big money got in early. Now they're letting the stock breathe while weaker traders exit. That's one of the most bullish signals you can get in penny stocks. So here's a small strategy I'll give to you guys. Don't chase full size on a breakout, scale in piece by piece. Too many people go all in at one price, then panic when it dips 1%. That's not how you win in this game. Control your risk, have a strategic entry, and patience. That's how you play volatile names like this. Key levels to watch, you have the support, 23 to 24 cents. As long as that hold, structure is bullish. You have your breakout trigger, 28 to 30 cents. If we clear this with volume, I expect a fast move to 35 to 40 cents and potentially higher. We're already playing this inside the Discord. Members saw me scale in during quiet phases because that's where the edge is. You don't want to wait for Twitter hype. By then, the move is halfway done. This is small risk, massive reward potential. Weak hands are gone, volume's cooled, consolidation remains tight. So in my opinion, I'm very bullish and going to be positioned. Next stock on the watch list is ticker symbol APLD. And this one's the perfect example of why I keep preaching swing trading over day trading. We've been on this for a while in the Discord. We spotted the setup, scaled in early, and now we're up nearly 200% in profit. That's not luck. That's patience and discipline. The structure here is beautiful. A massive demand zone built over the years, a long accumulation phase, then an explosive breakout. After that run, it consolidated inside a wedge, was tightening up, and now we're breaking out again, exactly as expected. This is why swing trading works. While people are panicking trying to scalp during their 9 to 5, blowing accounts because they can't manage risk, we're scaling in, holding, and letting the chart do the work. My upside targets on this stock, breaking this wedge gives us $25 to $30 next, maybe 35 plus if momentum starts to pour in. And remember, we're already in from much lower. Next on the list is ticker symbol IREN. This setup is very bullish. For over a year now, the $21 to $22 zone has acted like a brick wall. We've seen multiple rejections there, but instead of rolling over this time, price is holding strong and building multi-week consolidation right under resistance. Sellers are being absorbed, buyers are in control. The consolidation box is key. Dips into $17.50 to $18, keeps getting caught. Attempts to break this $21 level are chipping away at resistance. The longer it sits here, the bigger the breakout move once it clears. Key levels to watch is this base support, $14.50 to $15. This must hold. You have your consolidation floor, $17.50 to $18. That's where the strong demand is. Then next you have your breakout zone, $21.50 to $22. You clear this and we push into 25 and then potentially 28 to 30. The MACD is confirming momentum, flipping positive with buyers stepping in heavy. And yes, we're already in this one as well in the Discord, scaling in during consolidation, not chasing green candles. That's why positioning matters. If IRN clears 22 with volume, this could be a start of a much higher leg up. Now let's talk about ticker symbol BABA. This is a textbook swing setup and why our members are already sitting on 50, 60, even 100% gains depending on entry. Years of downtrend and chop finally ended with buyers stepping in at this demand zone. Then we broke out of the downtrend and confirmed the shift. From there, it was all about scaling in, holding, and letting the breakout run. Now Alibaba is pushing back towards 130 plus. As long as we hold above 120, structure remains bullish. Upside targets are 135 to 140 next, with room for continuation if momentum builds. This is why I say swing setups are the key. You don't need to stress every tick or blow up account scalping. You just need to be in the right trades. Alibaba is proving that right now. If you're still here, this is for you. Like I've said, I got a surprise for the real ones who stay locked in. So here it is. Use code Chile to get access into the Discord. But listen carefully, I'm only accepting the first 50 people with this code. After that, it's closed. If you've been sitting on the fence, now's your chance to lock in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button. Let's get this to 100 likes. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.